You look good. Me not say you don't look good. But my God, when me see two on the side down one another, me say, wow. Yo, on a different two strong bumbo clad black woman that you know. Me say, bad man, a two strong black woman. Yo, can't come here today, God truth, Father, me today truth. Yo, me never know, say, I say, you're solid. you know. Bumbo clot. Hey, mama is like pussy clot. All I go on, me never know say you're a salad, you're a slapper. Yeah. Me I tell you the God Almighty truth. Because when you come on here as popcorn X and you talk big things about him. Mama, you tall. You one tall fucking dolly. Me a 5'11". You look like you're about 6 something, but 6'2", 6'1". I don't know, you're massive in a height and you're not fat. That's a one thing. You look good, but you're long, you fuck. Me never know, so I say you're big. How you think you want to look a short girl? Me bomba, mama, what time see me, I say me, like me have to go look up on your daddy like you'd have to play basketball, bro. And then you have Roger Clark, look at sister. Sit down right there, so me say, bomba clot. Mama, yeah, he's like, me fat. But me I tell you, say, we Coco sit down side a everlasting in me boy. Me bomba clot. Money make on get. So Coco, tell me now, you did attracted to that woman there?